Welcome back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I'm just experimenting with something. I want to see if this is going to work. I have some Cricut Infusible markers that I just got, and I'm testing this out by hand because I just want to see if this is going to work. My theory is that if I put the infusible marker onto copy paper and I press it onto an item using the 400 degrees that everybody says sublimation requires, that I can sublimate onto my item using this marker theory. So the first thing I noticed, I thought that this pen was going to be thicker. But that's okay. So I'm just going to sketch something out here. And this is just regular printer paper. So I'm just wondering how much this will actually pick up onto an item if I try to infuse the item with this ink. And like I said, this is an experiment today, so let's see if we can get this to work. So I have pulled out one of these journals that I got from Staples, I think it was, over the summer. These are journals that I was redoing the covers for, so I'm going to try the back of it. The other option was this, and I know that I got sublimation to stick to this, so maybe I should go with this one since I know I've already got sublimation. My first mistake, I can already tell you, is that I wrote my name the correct way. When you sublimate, it's going to go face down, and so it's going to come out the opposite way. So that's mistake number one. And then we'll see what else happens. So my heat press is ready, and I pulled out the big boy today. So I'm probably gonna have to back up a little bit and make some room to get this thing out here. So my heat press is covered in purple glitter from one of the last things I did, but let's see what happens. Alright, so I pressed it. Oh, and it did! My theory worked! I'm so excited! Okay, so I know a lot of people are going to say, why don't you just write on it with the infusible ink? This was really just me testing out a theory because I wanted to know if I actually use this in my Cricut machine and try to press this onto something. I just want to know if it will work. So now I know it does. So I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.